you like to be the best football player in the world, the industrialist about whom the country could be proud of, the most renowned lawyer, or the most successful man in your field of activity? If the answer to any one of the above question is yes, and you are not what you wanted to be, please listen further. Para. If a person wants to achieve certain goals in life in any field of activity, then that person obviously should know how to go about achieving his goals. Surprisingly, the steps involved in becoming successful are common to all fields of activity. Let us see what are they. Para. The first step towards success is to gain self confidence. By confidence, I mean converting cannot attitude to can possibilities. Also, one should not keep on pondering over a probable obstacles but should allow the mind to think freely on the likely solutions. Para. Secondly, self confidence alone is not going to yield results unless untiring effort is put in the right direction. A person may be weak physically, but if he is mentally strong, the physical handicap can be overcome and desired results can be achieved in spite of physical handicaps. After all, the mind controls and directs the body. In that sense, let me assure you one thing: all of us from birth to death have just the same quantum of energy. A person is strong or weak depending upon the amount of mental energy leakages. One who has least leakage is obviously the strongest. Para. The third step is concentration. Assume we have at any point of time 100 units of mental energy. If we had entertained, say, 20 different thoughts, the maximum energy available per thought would be 5 units, whereas if the number of thoughts are only 2, then energy per thought goes up to 50. Obviously, the thought that gets maximum energy gives best results, as full energy is available if only one direction. Concentration does exactly this. Set yourself after the goal you aspire most and make your energy fully available in the direction of your goal through concentration without wasting it any way. Para. The fourth step in the ladder of success is devotion. Devotion makes any work spot a pleasant place to work in. By concentration and devotion to work, the right attitude to job is built. While at work, one should learn to enjoy work with enthusiasm. I am sure you will bring back pleasant memories of a good job done and a well deserving reward.